Why?
Boing. Ah. Nice. Boing. Nice. Nice.
This is R18. We need to censor the stream.
Ta-da! I can just imagine the sounds. Alright, there. I'm about to tickle her nose. Oh god. Ah, no! Ah! Oh well.
There we go. Now it's... What the fuck, Mumei? Now it's Mumei. Licking? Girls! Can you be less sensitive? You don't really want me to add Reina's tongue to this, do you? Who started this idea? If it's Mumei, then I'm gonna say, you are a little pervert. No, I cannot support this. Oh god.
Okay.
Hello.
Some interesting things going on. I don't know about you.
Yeah.
But I have to ask, what's going on? Why is everyone drawing such sensitive scenes, huh?
Sensitive scene?
Sensitive. Why is it sensitive?
No, whose idea was that?
Which one are we talking about?
Which one are we talking about?
Several.
What are we talking about?
Several.
Kiara senpai liked sensitive, right?
No.
Oh.
Wait, Reina, was that supposed to be?
That's you and Mumei.
Ah!
Kiara and Mumei.
Oh my god!
Like I got closer too.
Yeah, and in the end, it turned into a little snake.
Yeah.
Cute.
Naruhodo.
Cute.
But then I realized I'm naked. I need to hide my boobies. Exploding!
Oh my god!
Explosion!
Reina, wow.
Oh god.
Super boing.
Super boing.
The last drawing was very important, Reina. Thank you for that.
Yeah,
Yes. You're welcome.
completed
You're
it.
at your service.
Oh my gosh.
Next up.
How is might not even be Subaru. Actually, this is a goose. It's not even a duck. This is a goose that took Subaru's hat. See, that's why it has the heart too. Strawberry. Here we go.
Oh no! What the fuck is that? Is this a... Wait, I thought it was a chicken first, but that's... Looking at the hat, that's Subaru Senpai eating a strawberry. Oh my god, that looks so... cursed. That looks like something Mumei would draw, but she has only a mouse. No way she could draw that with a mouse, right?
Cute. Alright. Not my best work, but I think the concept is cute. This is the final boss. You face the final boss here. This is it. This is her. And you dare lay a hand on her.
Yota! I'm proud of this! Yeah! Wow! That's a... combination of all of us, no? Oh shit, what? Starts with a chicken, then I see a peafowl? What the fuck, what?